The Xiaomi 15 Ultra looks almost identical to last year's 14 Ultra. Same big camera bump, same overall shape. The only real difference? It's a tiny bit heavier, probably because of the bigger battery. Honestly, I don't mind the massive camera module. It gives the phone that pro camera look, which I kinda dig. For a big, heavy phone, the 15 Ultra is surprisingly comfortable to hold. The buttons are in the right spots, the back has a grippy texture, and the glass part feels smooth. The 6.73-inch display is gorgeous, super sharp, crazy bright, and the curved edges make it look almost bezel-less. The only phone that beats it in sunlight visibility is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, thanks to its anti-glare tech. But otherwise, this screen is fantastic indoors and out. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra's display isn't just sharp and bright, it also supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and even works when your fingers are wet, no more struggling with rainy day scrolling. Xiaomi also threw in their Xiaomi Shield Glass 2 for extra scratch resistance, so you can probably skip the screen protector if you're careful. Whether you're binge-watching shows or gaming, this screen makes everything look awesome. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is built for speed, packing Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor paired with a generous 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM. This powerhouse combination delivers buttery smooth performance across the board, whether you're flipping between apps, editing photos, or gaming. The Android 15-based HyperOS 2 interface keeps everything running seamlessly, with animations so fluid they rival iOS. Even demanding tasks like burst mode photography are handled effortlessly. The camera app snaps multiple shots in rapid succession without any lag or stuttering. The 15 Ultra is a speed demon for both daily use and gaming, though its AI features trail behind rivals. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra's quad camera system is a powerhouse, headlined by its impressive 200-megapixel telephoto lens with OIS that activates at 4.3x zoom. When you nail the distance, the detail and edge detection are among the best I've tested. The main 50-megapixel LYT 900 sensor with its fixed 1.63 aperture delivers excellent results. The setup is rounded out by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto capable of 120 times zoom, though that extreme zoom is more for fun than daily use. You get the same great Leica shooting modes as before, authentic for natural tones and vibrant for punchier colors, both producing sharp, detailed shots in any lighting. The Summilux lenses handle challenging light beautifully, though I did notice some occasional focus hunting that led to blurry shots. When everything clicks though, the results are stunning. Xiaomi tends to boost contrast and saturation for that instant social media ready look. Purists might prefer more natural processing, but most users will appreciate the camera doing the editing work for them. For serious shooters, the optional photography kit transforms the experience, adding physical controls that mimic a DSLR. It includes shutter and video buttons. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra delivers impressive battery performance thanks to its sizable 5,410 milliampere capacity. In real-world testing with demanding settings like always-on display enabled and the screen refreshing at 120 Hz, combined with intensive camera use, the device consistently achieved over 15 hours of usage on a single charge. Charging speeds are remarkably fast using the included 90-watt charger, taking just 47 minutes for a full charge. It also supports 80-watt wireless charging. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra presents a compelling alternative that combines top-tier hardware, excellent camera capabilities, and strong overall performance at a more competitive price point than its rivals. While it may not lead in every category, It delivers where it matters most for photography enthusiasts and power users who want premium features without paying a premium price.